Welcome to Skyvian. Prepare to be amazed. This video features the worst takeoff fails. Watch as planes struggle on runways, suffer tail strikes, and endure heart-stopping crashes. Don't miss out on these jaw-dropping moments. This is not a failure, but it is an interesting takeoff, with the Boeing 777X making a very steep takeoff like a fighter jet, and then some sharp twists. This was a test at the Airbus factory simulating an engine failure. With only one working engine and half of its normal power, this Airbus A350 is having difficulty taking off. Due to its excessive weight, the Boeing 737 could hardly take off before the runway ended. This Boeing 777 applies full rudder and aborts takeoff. At the end of the runway, this overloaded Boeing 727 sprayed people with debris as it lifted off. As this Boeing 747 was taking off from an Indian airport, it collided with a bird. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos.